Good morning, everyone. As you know, we do everyday plumbing, the good, the bad, and the ugly. All while training my two sons, the apprentices, the trade. And for today's adventure, I got a TNS pre-rinse spray that's acting up, and the owner wants a new spray head put on. And we're going to go for the repair. I like TNS. I got the spray head. It seems like a bang job. So we'll see you when we get to the job. You'll see here that the pre-rinse for TNS spray is all over the place, and we're going to replace the spray head with an authentic TNS parts as per the owner. And I'm going to shut the water off here because I don't want a little surprise when I take off that spray head, because if I take this spray head off charged up, we're all going to get wet. I'm asking Pablo in the video, which by now I'm sure you know I'm doing a voiceover because the music in the kitchen was blasting and you couldn't hear me talk, that do you want this ring installed on the spray head to keep the spray head in the on position when you want to use it. And then in the end I realized that the ring is also to hang the spray head out of the way when you're done with it, which you'll notice at the end of the video I go to hook it, just from doing so many TNS spray pre-rinses, that there's no hook. So the hook stand or hook connection was missing. And somebody installed this ring below the wall bracket so he couldn't even use it to hang the pre-rinse head on the wall. And right here I discovered that I didn't put in the new washer, so I decided that I'm not going to cut corners. Even though the washer in there was good, I'm going to pull out the old washer and put in the new washer like a good plumber. As you saw, we changed the pre-rinse head. Pretty simple job. Saved them some money. We put a quality part in on a quality faucet, and there was no downtime with that kitchen faucet. So again, I'm not a big advocate of repairing anymore, but in that case, we got it done. And with that being said, and there goes another satisfied customer. We'll see you on the next one.